Pressure washing, they're the talk of the town. They'll wash and seal your home from the roof to the ground. Father gonna have his deck sparkle and sheen. Mama never seen her patio look so clean. We call you back, we show up at your office or your home. In fact, we act polite, we do it right. The job is done, you'll sleep at night. We're Titan.
So this roof was put on in 2014. If you watch the previous video, you'll see that this one was pretty bad. Wasn't the worst I've seen, but it needed to be cleaned. Came out and knocked out the right way. And here's the section where we added the concrete driveway, did all the curbing. All that was all black and had mustard allergy all over it. Cleaned all that, and the guys are there. Wave hi. Oh, I know. Yeah, they're excited. They want to go fishing. All right, guys. Till next time, Titan Pressure Washing. It's TitanPW.com is our website. Titan Pressure Washing. 772-245-0402 is our phone number. Give us a call. You want your home to look like this instead of looking like that. Let's see if I can zoom in. We'll probably end up doing hers anyway. Till next time, guys.